Good morning or good afternoon, depending on what time you're watching this video. So we're going to continue with Mission 1, Lesson 6 today. Our learning goal is still the same as yesterday. I can compare decimal fractions to the thousands using like units and express comparisons with greater than, less than, and equal to. So again, we're just comparing decimals, and we're going to be able to write greater than, less than, and equal to statements. So today we're going to start off with comparing, whoa, Ms. Walker, that was crazy. We're going to start off with comparing 13,196 and 13,296. So we have 13,196, 13,296. Which number is greater? 13,296 is greater than 13,196 because the digit in the hundreds place is greater. This digit is bigger than this digit. So we would write 13,196 is less than 13,296. Now, I want you to get your place value chart and do these next ones on your place value chart. Now, we need to compare 12 thousandths and 2 thousandths. So, we're going to write it on our place value chart in standard form. We're going to write 2 thousandths in standard form, except that Miss Walker messed up this place value chart and didn't make it big enough. Miss Walker. Alright, so we're just going to fix this. We're going to put our decimal point over here, and we have 0, 0, 0, 2. That is 2 thousandths. 0, 0, 1, 2 is 12 thousandths. Which number is greater? Well, in unit form, we have 100, hundredth, and 2 thousandths. Here we have just 2 thousandths, and we have 0 hundredths. So, 12 thousandths is greater than 2 thousandths. Just like if we had 2 apples and 12 apples, 12 apples would be more than 2 apples. Okay, the next one gets harder. On your place value chart. Again, Miss Walker put these decimals in the wrong spot when she made this place value chart. I need them over here. Okay, so we have 299 thousandths, and we have 3/10. So we have, another way to write these fractions would be 299 thousandths, 3/10. Now the denominators are different, so that kind of confuses me. So I better put this on my place value chart. Let's write 3/10 on our place value chart in standard form. I would have 3/10. Now, if I have 299 thousandths in standard form on my place value chart, it looks like that. Now, I can trade 3/10 for thousandths, and then I have 300 thousandths. So which one is bigger? 299 or 3,000 or 300? So 300 thousandths is greater than 299 thousandths. So I can write my expression like this. 299 thousandths is less than 3/10. Okay, now the next one is 705 thousandths and 7/10. So I'm going to move my decimal points over here because it's still in the wrong spot. I'm going to compare 7/10 and 705 thousandths. This is in standard form, 705 thousandths, 7/10. Again, I can trade 7/10 for 700 thousandths. Which one's bigger? Is 705 bigger than 700? Yes, it is. 705 thousandths is greater than 7/10. Okay, let's compare 15 and 203 thousandths. This time I got the decimal in the right spot. 15 and 203 thousandths compared to 15 and 21 hundredths. I can trade 21 hundredths for 210 thousandths. So which one is bigger, 203 or 210? 210 is bigger, so 15 and 203 thousandths is less than 15 and 210 tenths. Okay, I'm hoping you're still with me. Last part, we're going to put these in order from least to greatest. So if you notice, they're all the same length. They're all the same. They're all thousandths. So which one is smallest? This one is because it has a 0 in the tenths place. So my first number is 56 thousandths. Now I want to find the next biggest number in the tenths place. That would be 1. So now I have 164 thousandths. I like to put semicolons between them so that way it doesn't look like it's one giant number. The next one that has a digit in, or the next biggest number in the tenths place is a 4. So I have 413 thousandths. And then last is 531 thousandths. Next, I'm going to put these in order from greatest to least. So I need the biggest number. So if I look, I have 27 and 5 thousandths, 29 and 4 tenths, 27 and 19 thousandths, and 29 and 5, sorry, this is 29 and 4 hundredths, and 29 and 5 hundredths. I know that 5 hundredths is bigger than 4 hundredths, and 29 is equal to 29. But this is what I'm paying attention to because that's where I find my first place value with a different value. So 29 and 5 hundredths is my biggest. 29 and 4 hundredths is next. 27 is my next smallest number, and 5 thousandths is smaller than 19 thousandths, so 27 and 19 thousandths is next, and last is 27 and 5 thousandths. Okay, last one. We're going to do this one from least to greatest again. All of my numbers have 119 ones. I have 119 and 177 thousandths. I have 119 and 173 thousandths. I have 119 and 78 thousandths. And then I have 119 and 18 hundredths, which I could make 180 thousandths so that my decimals are all the same length. So 119 and 78 thousandths is my smallest number. Next up is 173 thousandths, so I have 119 and 173 thousandths. Next, I have 119 and 177 thousandths. And last, I have 119 and 18 hundredths. All right, guys, I hope that makes sense. If not, let me know, and have a great day.